when you get the animal wrong and it's a spider, they are very eager to tell you which animal.
Oh, you're so cute.
Okay, good.
You're so wonderful.
Champion, ladies and gentlemen, and as you heard at the beginning of the show, he has won
Oh, I love you.
over $100,000. We have not mentioned
I love you so much.
at a bank.
Oh, and can you get her?
Yeah, I can get you too.
Oh, I don't.
Cause any problems?
I'm not nearly as nice looking as a bunny.
Let's continue right now. Pick up that signaling device.
Yeah, that's worth photographing.
How about upwards for 200, please?
Oh, yes.
The Supreme Court case. Jones v. Van Zandt.
Oh, look, there's a little white spot on that lip. There's a big white spot on this lip.
Upwards for
Oh, what you doing? What you doing?
That word is uppercut.
You trying to bury your head?
Don't know. She's embarrassed about her costume.
About her what?
Costume.
Oh, all that.
Strangle.
Did they put a silly collar on you? It's quite beautiful.
Choke is the word.
It's quite beautiful. It really is. You looked very elegant in it. Yes, you did. You looked very elegant.
A deep
Yeah, you look like a top-class bunny rabbit.
especially for U.S.
Yeah.
uniform. Jonathan?
Was it Navy?
No. John or Ben?
Oh, gorgeous collar.
Wrapped.
You got dressed up in Fifth Avenue.
Perhaps the greatest composer of German songs.
She got dressed up just to come and see you for
His hero,
Halloween.
You got dressed up for Halloween.
Beauty ABC's 200.
You don't want to get too beautiful. Somebody will steal you. No.
Aircraft.
Yes.
DoD ABC's 400.
The R in D.
Oh, you're so lovely.
The D is this. To interrogate a soldier who's back from a mission.
Yeah.
What is debrief?
Debrief is right.
Look at the nose.
SACEUR leaves all NATO
Nose never stops wiggling.
for Europe. Jonathan.
What is Supreme Army?
Yeah, but look down here.
Then
Mm-hmm.
Allied Committee.
Allied Commander. We're referring to.
Oh.
Back to
Oh, what was that?
I heard the noise.
The CO on the ship.
Was there a noise?
Short for this. Ben.
What is executive officer?
Right.
DoD 4000.
Marines can conduct recon.
You're safe. I'll protect you with my very life.
Jonathan.
Yes, I will.
Armored vehicles?
You got it.
Yeah,
Upwards for 800, please.
To reprimand.
you keep wiggling that nose and you're safe.
Upgrade. Yes, and now the last clue. This stroke for stringed instruments like violins is indicated
Oh,
in
you're
scores
just
by the
so
symbol V.
beautiful.
Jonathan.
What is an upstroke?
Ben or Donald? What is up bow? Up bow.
You're going to have a look around.
Donna in the red, end in third place.
You're going to see who's here. Anybody who's important is here to see you. Yeah, anybody who's important. Yeah. What are you going to do? Oh, you're going to bury your nose? You're going to bury your nose?
You have to compromise on features.
Oh, hey, what are you doing?
The sedan is available in heated front seats.
Oh, what do you suppose she wants?
I don't know that she wants anything. That's just their human nature to dig.
And Sirius XM radio. Not to mention a
Are you trying to get some attention? Will you get all the attention I can give you?
Because remember, they like to be in holes. They burrow holes, and in the holes in the wintertime
Yeah.
to stay warm.
Did you know that you can put
Are you cold?
$500 into a tax
Are you cold a little bit?
never pay tax? Find out how.